Imagine standing on a vast open field at night, looking up at the sky. Millions of tiny specks of light flicker against the darkness. Some of them are stars, others are entire galaxies, billions of light years away. The human mind struggles to comprehend distances beyond a few hundred kilometers, let alone the sheer enormity of the universe. Yet, our curiosity pushes us to ask, how big is the universe? This is not just a question about size, it's a question about existence, perspective, and our place in the cosmic story. In this journey, we will expand our minds far beyond our home planet, traveling across space at the speed of thought. Earth is a tiny blue dot floating in the vast cosmic ocean. From space, it looks serene, but in reality, it is a dynamic world, home to over 8 billion people, countless ecosystems, and a history spanning billions of years. The first step on our cosmic journey is the Moon, just 384,000 kilometers away. If you could drive there at 100 kilometers per hour, it would take 160 days. Despite this relatively short distance on a cosmic scale, humans have only visited the Moon a handful of times. Next, we reach the Sun, about 150 million kilometers, 1 astronomical unit, away. Light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. The Sun is a staggering 3 million times the volume of Earth and the source of all life on our planet. To put this in perspective, if the Earth were the size of a marble, the Sun would be about the size of a large beach ball, and the distance between them would be roughly a city block. Even within our solar system, distances are already mind-boggling. As we venture further, we pass Mars, 54.6 million kilometers to 401 million kilometers away, depending on orbits. Then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and finally, Neptune, 4.5 billion kilometers away. Beyond Neptune, we find the Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977. It is currently over 22 billion kilometers from Earth, making it the farthest human-made object in existence. In 1990, it turned back and took the famous pale blue dot photo, reminding us of our tiny place in the universe. At around 1.9 light-years away, we reach the Oort cloud, a vast sphere of icy objects surrounding the Sun. It marks the boundary where the Sun's gravitational influence weakens, transitioning into interstellar space. Beyond the Oort cloud, we enter interstellar space. The closest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4.4 light-years away. Even traveling at the speed of Voyager 1, 17 kilometers, it would take over 70,000 years to reach it. This makes interstellar travel with current technology practically impossible. Yet the night sky is filled with stars, each potentially hosting planets. The possibilities for life beyond Earth are staggering. The Milky Way spans 100,000 light-years across, containing hundreds of billions of stars. Within this galaxy, humans have barely scratched the surface of exploration. Our radio signals have only reached a region about 100 light-years wide, meaning that most of the galaxy remains unaware of our existence. Our galaxy is part of a collection of about 50 galaxies called the Local Group, stretching 10 million light-years. But the Local Group is only a small part of a much larger structure, the Virgo supercluster, a massive congregation of galaxies spanning 110 million light-years. Even more immense is the Laniakea supercluster, a structure spanning 500 million light-years, which contains our Local Group, Virgo, and thousands of other galaxies. At this point, the scale of the universe becomes almost incomprehensible. Galaxies are not randomly scattered, but are woven together in a vast cosmic web of filaments and voids. The observable universe stretches about 93 billion light-years in diameter. But here's a mind-blowing question. If the universe is only 13.8 billion years old, how can it be that large? The answer lies in cosmic expansion. Space itself is stretching, meaning that distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. beyond a certain point, light from these galaxies will never reach us, meaning that vast regions of the universe are forever beyond our view. If the observable universe is this vast, what about the entire universe? The truth is, we don't know. Some theories suggest the universe is infinite, while others propose it has a definite but incredibly large size. What lies beyond what we can see remains one of the greatest mysteries of cosmology. The sheer vastness of the universe might make us feel insignificant, but it should also inspire wonder. Despite being so small, we are capable of understanding the universe, of asking profound questions, and of seeking answers. What will the future hold? With advancements in technology, perhaps one day we will send missions to Alpha Centauri, build colonies on Mars, or even unlock the secrets of interstellar travel. Until then, we remain cosmic explorers in our own right, looking up at the night sky and wondering what lies beyond. Every moment we spend under the stars, we are witnessing the echoes of a vast and ancient cosmos. The universe is enormous, but so is our curiosity. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep explorations into the mysteries of space.